What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic Stones, Wild Horses. Okay, so this song has a lot of chords. So let's go over the different parts of the song. The intro only happens once. It starts in G major, 2, 3, to A minor. He starts singing. We got a B minor, G major, A minor, G major, A minor to C, and then C, D, G. Again is two verses. G major, D minor, G major, A minor to C, C, D, G. Okay, chorus, Wild Horses, A minor. G, F major, C, yeah, they from the C there, they do walk down, so C major and then B over C. Back to A minor, still chorus. G major, F, a quick C, D, back to verse. A minor. C, D, G. Alright, let's hit the chorus. A minor, G, F, and C. Walk down from C, A minor, G, F, and C. And then we have a new part. That's when the guitar solo comes in, and that's F, 2, 3, 4, and C, F, 2, 3, 4, and C, then C, D. Hang on G here for a while, and that is another verse and chorus. Okay, so that's all the parts. So let's review everything. We got the intro, which goes G, A minor, G, A minor, and then G. Then the song kicks in, it starts singing. It's B minor to G, B minor to G, A minor, C, quick C to D, G, and D. And then we got the chorus, A minor to C, G, F, and C. And then walk down from C. back into the verse there. Okay, and the guitar solo part, F, C, F, C, and then G. Okay, cool. Nice song. Awesome to jam along with. Thanks for checking in, guys. I'll be back tomorrow with more super cool songs. Be safe. Thank you.